iPhone backup stuck on preparing backup on PC. Fix. Step 1. Force restart your iPhone and PC. Restarting clears temporary cache and stuck background processes. Make sure both the iPhone and PC fully reboot before retrying the backup. Step 2. Kill the MD Crash Report tool. This process can freeze while scanning crash logs. Ending MD Crash Report Tool extension in Task Manager forces iTunes to move past the stall stage and continue the backup. Step 3. Check your connection or direct USB. A weak or unstable connection can cause the backup to hang. Use a certified cable, plug directly into the PC, preferably rear ports on desktops, and avoid USB hubs or splitters. Step 4. Toggle airplane mode on iPhone. Airplane mode disables Wi Fi and cellular syncing that may conflict with USB backups. Turning it on helps the iPhone focus only on the wired connection. Step 5. Verify trust this computer. If trust permission fail, the PC can detect the iPhone but can't access its data. Resetting location and privacy refreshes the trust prompt and restores proper access for backup.